Abalimi ba ovakedo mu ggwanga balina akaseko ku matama oluvannyuma lw'ekitongole kya nuts okufuna abantu abagenda okubakwasizaako naddala nga batwala ovakedo mu mawanga ag'ebweru wakati mu kwongera ofuna akatale ak'amaanyi. Guno gwe mulundi ogusookedde ddala nga balimi ovakedo ekika ekiyitibwa ash okuba nga batwala ovakedo waabwe ebweru era nga bagamba tibagenda kuganyulwa kinene.
Also know the other aspect of the export. So as we struggle with hot fresh, we are looking at avocado as one of the strategic exports that will move us from these ethnic markets where most of the exporters are suffering. In the UK, those ethnic markets without contracts, and the prices are very low, where we sell a lot of our matoke and lumonde, sweet potatoes at a giveaway price, sukari in these, those products. We have our pineapples. So we have identified avocado as one of our priority exports to move us to the next level of the market. And
Senkulu wa nuts agamba nti kino kyakwongera abalimi naddala aba ovakedo okwongera okuganyulwa mu nteekateeka zaabwe ez'ebyobulimi naddala nga beeyongera okufuna ku nsimbi ez'ebweru.
But above all, the farmer out there in the village, the farmers who toiled day and night to grow those avocado fruits, we thank you so much. And as I conclude, because I can see it's threatening to rain, I would like to assure all farmers in Uganda that finally the market is there. You can see. The market is there and we shall help you to access the market moving forward.
Ssentebe w'akakiiko k'ebyobulimi mu Paalamenti avunaanyizibwa ku byobulimi Auma agamba nti kino kigenda kwongera okuzibula bannayuganda okulaba nga bafunira ku nsimbi enzungu era beeyongere mu nteekateeka ez'okulima ovakedo omungi babe nga baganyulwa.
Because transportation from different locations can contaminate what we are producing. So if we could have that as a strategic approach, it will help us to ensure quality and quantity. As Parliament, we have also finished working on a bill. We have huge acreage of land that is unutilized, though very fertile. But majority of our farmers, they don't have the financial capacity to produce as required for export. So we have just finalized working on the contract farming bill, where it will attract many investors to come and have contract with our farmers who have land. We have also provided block farming.
Ono awagiddwa n'abalimi abalala bagamba nti okulima ovakedo osobola bulungi okuba ng'ovuganya n'abalala naddala mu birime ng'ekyemmwanyi ssaako n'abalala.
And the government stopped doing more connections for around 4 years. So today it's our prayer that what we have seen today happening in Uganda, having the first containers being exported by road and by sea, it should continue and we should have more and more. How does it continue? By planting more avocados. We have heard that so far we have so many buyers of the fruits. Honey and this group, they want how many containers per year? 32 and 2 per week. We also, and as per the hot fresh, we have other companies also who want more fruits per week and per month.
Ono awagiddwa n'abantu abalala nga bagamba nti olima ovakedo eyinza okuvuganya n'ebirime ebirala ebiri ku bbeeyi. Buli wiiki Uganda yeetaagisa okutwala konteyina emu ng'ejjudde ovakedo ekika kino ekya ash